In spite of the challenges our market has, we are still up again this week in median price compared to 2024. We're going to talk about that and much more in this week's update. I'm your host, Tony Meier with Windermere Real Estate. As we do each week, we're going to cover interest rates for sale and pending, months of inventory, and median sales price to see how the market's evolving. Well, first up is interest rates. We sit at 6.17 this week, down a tenth of a percent from last week. And very close to the bottom of our 52-week range, with hope that the Feds will drop rates and that'll transition to lower rates in our marketplace. Our active listings are also coming down. We're down 2% this week to 1268. However, we still remain up 79% this week compared to the same week in 2024, showing how our market is different this year clearly. Our pending sales took a little bit of an increase this week, 7% increase. Which is good news. We've been down on our pendings by almost 20% the last 2 weeks. Good to see them moving back upward. We do, however, remain down compared to the same week a year ago, down by 9%. What's that done for our months of inventory? What's brought them back under 3 months of inventory, which is good news. We sit at 2.9, still a very high number, but moving in the right direction. Compared to a year ago, we're up 97%. It was 1.47 months of inventory back in 2024. Lastly, our median price is sitting this week, our rolling 30-day median at $1,595,000. That's up 2% from last week and a 2% increase from 2024. So if you're somebody who's been watching my videos thinking this market is falling apart, it really isn't. We are still sitting with median prices. Yes, they're down from their peaks of spring, and I expect as we look to spring of next year that we'll see them go back up. But while we're down from the peaks of spring, we are consistent and ahead of where we were at last year. So that's a cautionary tone to those who think the market is just falling apart and waiting may save them money. It may not. So if you've got questions about this marketplace and want to know more about how best to navigate, whether buying or selling, we are here to help. If you've yet to do so, hit the thumbs up icon, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for our future updates. Well, that's it for now, and we'll talk with you next week. Take care.